A fabulous morning to my dear students. Welcome to Max. So yesterday we have discussed about the concept. I hope you all understand the concept. Just to recall the last yesterday video. So what is the name of chapter number 1? Application of matrix and determinants. So A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by modulus A into adjoint of A. If you need to find out inverse of the A means we have to for subtopic, minor, cofactor, adjoint and inverse. So how to find out the minor into 2 into 2 form, 2 into 2 matrix set. So if you need to find out minor of A means we have to skip row and column of A means answer will be D. Therefore minor of A is equal to D. Similarly, how to find out minor of 3 into 3 matrix set? If you need to find out minor of B3 means we have to skip out row and column of B3. Therefore minor of B3 is equal to A1, A2, then C1, C2. Therefore answer will be, if you multiply means A1 C2 minus C1 into A2. That is called minor of B3. Okay, we are going to continue the second subtopic, cofactor. How to apply cofactor form in 2 into 2 matrix set. Cofactor Aij is equal to one of the main important formula, minus 1 the whole power of I plus j into minor of ij. Therefore, how to apply in 2 into 2 matrix? First row we have to take A11, A12. Second row we have to take A21, A22. Therefore, how to find out cofactor of A11 means we know. So if you apply I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 means A11 is equal to minus 1 the whole power of I plus j means 1 plus 1 into minor of A11 means we have to skip row and column of A11 means minor, what is the balance? A 2 true. Therefore minus 1 the whole power of 1 plus 1 means will be true. So therefore minus 1 the whole square means positive 1. Positive 1 into A22 means answer will be A2 true. Similarly the same concept, but in 3 into 3 concept we have to take it to first row A11, A12, A13 as well as second row A21, A22, A23, third row A31, A32, A33. How to find out cofactor of A1? A11 means the same formula, minus Aij is equal to minus 1 the whole power of I plus j into minor of ij. If you need to find out A11 means I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, we have to take it. Then A11 is equal to minus 1 the whole power of I plus j means 1 plus 1. Then we have to skip row and column of A11 means remaining, what is the term is there? Determinant of A22, A23, then A32, then A33. Therefore after simplification minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 1 means true, minus 1 the whole square means a positive 1. Then how to remove the determinant form? We should be multiply with the leading diagonal and into minus of off diagonal. If it example how to take a leading diagonal, A22 into A33 minus off diagonal means A32 into A23. This is called minor of A11. Okay, one more set we have to take it. How to take it? Another one set A23, that is second one, another one set in cofactor form A23. How to find out cofactor of A23 means the same formula, minus 1 the whole power of I plus j. I plus j means I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. Therefore A23 is equal to minus 1 the whole power of 2 plus 3, and determinant form we have to skip row and column of A23, remaining the term A11, A12, A31, A32. Therefore A23 is equal to minus 1 the whole power of 2 plus 3 is equal to value will be 5. Then we should be multiply with leading diagonal minus into multiply of off diagonal. If you multiply means A11 into A32 minus of diagonal A31 into A12. That is called cofactor of A23. This is 3 into 3 matrix form. So most of the students will be struggle. If you feel very struggle in cofactor form means we have to apply alternative method, signs conversion form. Sign means depends upon the position. Sign means depends upon the position. So how to take the signs conversion form into 2 into 2 matrix means first one we have to take plus, then minus, minus, plus. This is called the signs conversion form in 2 into 2 matrix set, as well as how to take 3 into 3 matrix set plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is 3 into 3 matrix set. Okay, those who are very difficult in cofactor matrix, apply with the formula means we have to take it signs conversion direct method. Okay, so now second subtopic also cofactor is already over. Now we are moving third subtopic. Third subtopic means adjoint of A. If you need to find out adjoint of A means we have to take it to matrix A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix set, small letter of first row A11, A12, A13, second row small letter A21, A22, A23, third row small letter of A31, A32, A33. Again another one cofactor matrix set in 3 into 3 form means we should be take it the letter capital letter A11 into A12, A13, second row A21, A22, A23, third row A31, A32, A33. If you need to find out from cofactor matrix adjoint of A means we should be take it transpose of cofactor matrix. That means row we should be write column wise. That is called adjoint of A. So once again I would like to recall how to find out adjoint of A. Transpose of cofactor matrix. You already we know cofactor matrix capital letter of A11, A12, A13 first column means how to write in adjoint of A. First row we should write in column wise. Similarly second row we should be write column of second. Then third row we should be writing adjoint of A column wise. That is called adjoint of A. Now we are moving so how to find out determinant of A. So one matrix set in first row into corresponding cofactor matrix set of first row into multiply means will be called determinant of A. If you take example A small letter of A11 into corresponding element of first row capital A11 plus again matrix set A of A12 first row similarly corresponding element of first row into plus first row of A13 into corresponding element of first row of third part. That means A13 into capital A13. That is called the determinant of A. But we should be take third row of matrix A into second row of corresponding element of cofactor matrix means answer will be 0. So once again I would like to recall A11 into capital A11 means as well as A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13 means we have to take it, that is called the determinant of A. But if you take it another one row multiply with the corresponding row of another one row multiply means answer will be 0. Okay, this is simple form of A inverse method. That is how to find out A inverse. So already we know what is the formula of A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what is the formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by modulus of A into adjoint.